it's Joanna. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a plan with me video, which is not actually a plan with me. I'm talking about. Hi everyone, it's Joanna. Welcome to my channel. You can probably hear a plane flying over. It's a lovely day today, and today I'm doing a collab video with Ginger Plants Joyful. She has a planning and crafting she has a planning and crafting channel, but she also does beauty and lifestyle just like me, hauls, all those good things. So if you haven't checked her out, you should go and check out her video and her channel, and subscribe and support her. I'll put her video, which is the same topic as mine, in the description box so you can watch it. And you should go and give her some love, you know, watch her videos, support her channel, and yeah. So, what is the video today? Because I've been babbling and I haven't told you what it is. It is, we decided to do a collab featuring our 5 planner faves. Now, that was hard to do because, I mean, I have lots of stuff that are connected to my planner. So, I tried to choose 5, and I have, but some of the 5 have little bits in them. So, technically, it's a little bit more than 5. So let me just have some coffee and then we'll begin. So for me, the most important thing for my planning is my washi tape. I love washi tape. I have, as you can see, loads of washi tape. I even have an amazing washi tape storage box, which is a fave as well, but it's not counting. It doesn't count. So you have your little drawers. You have 1, 2, so it has, let me show you like this. 1, 2, 3 drawers, which open, and they have three sections, 3 compartments. I need to make some space because my washi tape collection does take up a lot of space. So let me just show you some of my favorite washi tape. First of all, you can see that I really like golds and whites and blacks because I'm colorblind and it's easier for me to use white and black. I do have colors, but it's a bit harder for me to combine. Some of my favorite washi tape are these skinnier ones, which I got from, hang on, let me show you. So this skinnier one, which I got from The Works here in the UK. And as you can see, I have a lot of those ones. So there. These black and gold washi tape here, hang on, I don't know if it's in the frame. Yeah, it is. So these ones here are some of my favorite. I think I got these off Amazon from a bunch of 8 washi tape thingies. So yeah, I really like this type of planner washi tape or masking tape. Then, as I said, I love polka dots. So I like skinny washi tape, thicker washi tape, wider washi tape. So this one's a pretty one as well. I'll link whatever I can in the description box, whatever I bought off Amazon, especially like big washi tape. And let me just show you my most recent purchase, which is beautiful. I am so happy with this. I really like it. I got these, hang on, can you see them? I got these 2, don't fall. I got these 2 and a few more washi tape from the washi tape shop, which I found off Facebook. Now look how pretty this is. Look how it sparkles. So beautiful. I'm filming in natural light, so I hope it looks as beautiful as it is in person. And then the other thick one I got is this one. Beautiful. Very pretty. So yeah, I like this washi tape a lot, and I think I'm going to purchase some more from the washi tape store. So these are some of my favorites. This row isn't, except for those 2. I don't know. They're nice, but they're not my faves. And then I really also like the glitter ones, which I've bought from, hang on, let me just try to take them out. The glitter ones, which I got from, again, The Works. if you're in the UK, the Works often sells really, really nice washi tape, which you should go and check it out if you haven't already. So, and skinny washi tape, as you can see, I have a lot of skinny washi tape. You can never have enough skinny washi tape. So I often make spreads just with washi tape. So I think that is my #1 planner accessory. And I have another washi tape from the washi tape shop. Let me just show you. I haven't even unboxed this one. Oh, this one looks pretty as well. Look. Just roll it around. Really, 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 really beautiful. I don't know if it's picking up. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So, that is my first essential. Oh, I've got these ones I got from Amazon. These are pretty, and these are autumnal. Really nice. I'm going to use those in spreads. And, which one? Sorry about that. And these ones. These were all from Amazon. My most recent purchase. So I'm going to link whatever I can in the description box, and hopefully you will be able to get some of these washi tape yourself if you enjoyed it and if you liked it. So let's move on. I have to move that because it's quite bulky. Let's move on to another planner essential for me, and these are connected. So let me just move around some things because I don't have enough space. Okay, so I also use a lot of crafting paper in my planners, and these 3 favorites are all connected. So any type of crafting paper I find is really good to be used in the planner, because you can make your own spreads, and yeah, I just really like using crafting paper. So I get a lot of my crafting paper from the Works, but you can find loads on Amazon. So like this one is from the Works, and it's only £1, and it's got beautiful paper. Look how pretty this paper is. So pretty. So yeah, I also got this from the Works, which I really, really liked, and it's die cut. So I'm putting it in the same category, because I don't really use die cuts. But these are really pretty, again from the Works, and all that. And my Christmas crafting paper from the Works, £2. So you can just, yeah, you use it in the planner. Really, really pretty crafting paper. I just really like using it. So what I do, which brings me to my next, oh, hang on, I'll show you this one, because I'm like the girl who likes flowers. So, another one from the Works. Pretty, pretty, pretty spread. You can create lots of lovely spreads with these. So, crafting paper is #2, which any type of crafting paper. So I use crafting paper from the Works. I also use digital paper, and I create my own sticker sheets. So you just go on Etsy and you just look for digital paper, and then you just print it on sticker paper. So I found, I like buying my florals. What other digital paper have I made? Let me just show you this one. And I don't really like the glossy one. I printed this on glossy paper, but I don't like it. Sunflowers, just, yeah, lots of different digital and scrapbook paper. Now, how do I use this? Comes my next favorite, which is my Happy Planner. What's this called? This is the Happy Planner Hole Punch. I have the classic Happy Planner. So I just put in my paper, and then I go, whoop, and it sticks out. Hang on, I'll give you an example. I'll go to this one, Botanic, and create, let me find one that I'm not a real big fan of. And then I'll be like, oh, why did I make a hole? Okay, this one's pretty simple. So let's just make one with this paper. So you take out the paper, you stick it in the hole punch like this, okay, then you cut it, and you need to keep it up so you can take out your paper. So this is the right size for the classic Happy Planner boxes. So I use this paper, and then I come to my next favorite, which is double-sided glue. I don't know why it's double-sided though, because it would stick anyway, but it's very easy to use. And this is like, this is again from the works, and you just go like this, tick, 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 all over your box, and you stick it in your planner. They are the right size, and that is how I like to use crafting paper and digital paper in my planner. Now, moving on to my final favorite, of course, it's pens. I like buying fluffy pens like this one, which I got from Greece, and it's a rose with this pretty thing. It's coated around, and it's got feathers and it's got glitter. I just think this is very pretty. Or this unicorn one, which I got from the works ages ago, and I just stick them in my like pencil cases, and they just pencil pots or whatever they're called, and they just stick out. Or so these are pens, which I love, but then my favorite pens are in this pouch, which I had found. I got this in Marks and Spencer's advent calendar box, but they're not doing that this year. Now, two things I use a lot from pens. These are my favorite ones. So brush tip pens, because I like using thicker nibs when I'm writing in my planner. So 0.7 or even 1. So there are two types of pens I like using. So I'll show you my brush pen, which I got off Amazon, and you use it for calligraphy. And they have different kinds of nibs. So I really like using these in my planner. And then the other planner I like, let me just get some scrap paper. Hang on. Give me a second. I found an envelope, hopefully. No, I'll just show you on some other paper here. I'll show you on the back of my sticker paper. All right. So I like these. I think everyone knows about it. I was the last person to find out. So these are the Pilot Friction pens, and you write B there. Okay, it's an 07, and then it erases. So how great is that? I bought these off Amazon. I'll link them in the description box. And yeah, so, and this is how my calligraphy pen, right? Calligraphy pens. So not very good at calligraphy, but I really like looking at it. So yeah, that's how these write, and they come in different nib sizes, so that's really good. So these are my favorites. Let's just go through them for one last time. Washi tape, pens, crafting paper or digital paper, my pens as I said, and glue for making my own boxes, and my Happy Planner hole punch. So these are my 5 favorites. Please let me know in the comments what your 5 essentials, 5 favorites are. Consider subscribing to my channel. Go and visit Ginger's planner channel and show her some love. And yeah, I will see you again in my next video. If you want to connect with me on social media, I'm at My Pink Rambles on Instagram and Twitter. And I also have a blog called My Pink Rambles with a planner section that also has some freebies in it. So go check everything out. Have a nice day, everyone. Enjoy your planning. Bye.